Hello guys, part 3. Time to make sushi at home. It's just a hard work to make sushi all the time. Okay, this might be our last sushi because I don't have any rice left. Yeah, this might be our last sushi. Press down again. Press it down. Press down. Okay, put it more. The press down was too much. Like going back to cover. Agiling-giling, agiling-giling, agiling. Press down. Okay, don't push it down. Have to get some cheese. Have to put cheese. Like going back to hand. Press down. Another one. Press down. Another one. Not eating the most cheese. Okay, that enough cheese there. Okay, this one's gotta be the one that has a lot of cheese in it. Think like going back to the panel. It's hard to roll it down. Gotta do this for my mom. This. Bro, my other sushi broke down. Bro, Fish